How to convert M4A to WAV using Switch Audio Converter. Drag and drop your M4A file into Switch. Select WAV from the Output Format drop-down. Click Convert. For more information on converting M4A to WAV, continue watching. Click on the Add File button. Select the M4A files you wish to convert and click Open. You can also drag and drop your M4A files directly into Switch. Set the output folder where you would like your converted files to be saved. By default, this is the same as the source file. Click on Browse, choose your folder and click Select Folder. In the Output Format drop-down section, select WAV. Click on Convert to start converting the selected M4A files to WAV. To convert just one file, select the desired file and click Convert. For more Switch Audio Converter tutorials, please visit the address shown on your screen.